Hey everyone, Ian here, back. Shed Media, we're at Radical Restorations. And I had a short video before of this car, and this is Bob's personal car. And he's building himself a Superbird tribute car, but he's using the 2011 Magnum powertrain. So it's a mix of old and new, aesthetically all original stuff. Now this is a tribute car, so the back glass insert, nose cone, that's all fiberglass. But again, still gonna be a wicked car. It's in color now. You can see the paint. It's petty blue with white. It's gonna be drop dead gorgeous. I think the nose cone is yet to be assembled, but it's basically, at this point, it's probably 80% done, maybe even 85% done. So yeah, this is just some of the pictures I got from Bob, and I was piecing them all together so we can kind of, show the progression of this wicked, awesome car. So even the seats inside are out of the Magnum. So yeah, I'm really excited to show everybody the final product when he gets it all done. But even as of right now, it's still gorgeous. It's cop wheels with dog dish centers is what it's going to have too, in the same body color. So it is going to be wicked. 5.7 Hemi. Yeah, he's going to have a lot of fun with this. And again, you can just jump in and drive it. Fuel injection. It's got the Holly kit on it. So yeah, it looks super good. So enjoy. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell all your friends, please and thank you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.